Like a tidal wave of multicolored fabric, mummers took over Bannerman Park. With ugly sticks in hand, the spectacle would catch anyone's attention. It's the 4th annual Mummers Parade, a chance to celebrate an old Newfoundland tradition, a chance to bring new mummers on board.
In the olden days, people always used to go house to house when it was in a small community, and I think we should still do it today.
It was really fun too.
Fun. That's why organizers say the parade is growing each year.
People love what mummering represents, that fun-loving, good-natured spirit, and it also tied into that pride of place that people have for here.
Before the parade started, the party was already in full swing at the Rig Up, a place where people came to disguise themselves. Joan Ivany was one of the first people here. She says for her, this parade brings back good memories.
Years ago, we go mummering. Every night we get dressed up in a different outfit. Sometimes we switch them up, you know. But anyway, we go just for a bit of fun, a bit of cake and a bit of syrup, and bring fun to other people.
The new twist on the old tradition is spreading across the island as well. The town of Clarenville will host its own Mummers Parade tomorrow afternoon. Robin Miller, CBC News, St. John's.